We have more elevators at Rose Hospital.
Otis, Modernized by Otis.
4-5.
You know, I bet you when I was born here, these were original.
I bet you, yeah.
That one, probably.
Something smells like food.
It's the cafeteria's down here. It's right there. It's directly
Oh, it's this one.
left. What is up with all the elevators now?
Yeah, I'm just gonna start to comment, especially on that last one, that there seems to be a trend of somewhat poor elevator maintenance here.
Elevators. Had a Series 1 style lantern. How many floors?
That lantern's replaced.
Oh,
6.
there's a panel over here too. It's got Series 2 newer model,
Yeah.
which it's like Series 7 mod, but with red.
Down a G.
Yeah. Back to G. No fourth floor access through these elevators.
No public access to the 3rd floor either.
Huh.
And here this is elevator G, I guess.
Elevator G.
I guess they used to be labeled by number. Now they're labeled by letter.